Alright, YouTube, got an unboxing here. Let's get into it. Cyber Monday. It was two 2S GoldBat batteries for $27. So, you know, I couldn't beat that. Jump right on those. That little happy face and all that. Should've put some lotion on, but alright, YouTube. It's just a quick unboxing. Show you guys what I went ahead and grabbed on Cyber Monday. Excuse the noise, that's the dryer doing its job. We got some GoldBat batteries. 2S. I already had cracked this one, but got that happy face. Got that sad if you don't like them. Got some instructions. Yeah, I bought these on Cyber Monday. Got some Traxxas connectors for $27. Come with a strap. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, these just look like they're well made. We gotta put them to the test to see. Come with some Deans, you know I ain't rocking those. Let's see what they do on the Richter scale. Alright, that's how they come in. I hope y'all seeing it. So, test themselves. Okay. That's pretty good right there. Ain't bad, that's decent. Anyway, let's go try to check this next one out. These both 2S 80C. Right now I'll be rocking I got 2S that's 50C, the DXF. I couldn't beat the price on these. And I shout out to Tinsley Smith. I think he was the first one I seen buy these same batteries. Come with the same instructions. Happy, not happy. Traxxas connectors. Man, I would do a giveaway on these Traxxas connectors, but damn, shit they're gonna cost more than that. Alright, got another strap. Can't go wrong with that. Let's go ahead and check it. It's that 80C 5200 milliamp. Same one. So you know I could run 2S or 4S. You know how I do it. Alright, 54%. Okay, that ain't bad. We on the money. That ain't bad. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. You know I'm gonna run these batteries, break them in, and see what they got. Definitely gonna do some speed runs with them. I got 2 new straps, so that ain't bad. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for more on these batteries. GoldBat 2S. And thanks for tuning in.